So I've got a can of tuna, can of tomatoes, bit of onion, a few spices, bit of garlic, off we go. This is super, super easy. I mean, you're gonna get this done in 5-10 minutes max. Tastes great. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So absolutely nothing to this one. It's really, really easy. So I'm using spaghetti. You can use any pasta that you want. So get that cooked, because we're not going to concentrate on the pasta too much. We're going to work on the sauce. I've got about 2 to 3 cups there of a cooked pasta. 1 can of tomatoes. That was a plum tomato. I crushed that with my hand. Tuna. I've got 2, regular classic size tins there of tuna. Now you can get tuna in oil, in water, whatever you want. I've got it in oil, and I'm going to use some of the oil, not all of it, but most of it. If you've got it in water, drain it off. 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano. This is super fast. So you're going to need a wok or a frying pan or something like that. I've got some olive oil in there. We're going to drop in our 1 cup of onions, our 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. And we're going to go, we're on quite a high heat at the moment. We're going to go just for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now if you wanted, you could add some other veggies to this if you want some. You can get some mushrooms in here, some carrots in here, some celery in here. You might even want to pop in a couple of sort of black olives or something. I'm keeping this super straight, super easy. See you in 2 minutes. Just a couple of minutes there. Next up, we're going to drop in 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of oregano. We're going to drop in the tuna. And like I say, I've reduced that oil down by at least 50%. I'm going to go for about another minute or so, maybe 90 seconds, then I'll be back. Amazing. 1 can of tomatoes, in that goes. Going to turn the heat to medium, and I'm going to cook this now for 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. You've done it. Look at that, fantastic. Didn't take long at all, did it? Right, you can, if you want, put your sauce on top of your pasta. I'm gonna get my spaghetti in there, and I'm gonna work it. Let's grab another spoon. With the heat on, I'm gonna work it in for about 2 to 3 minutes. See you at the table. All right, and there you go. Super easy, super tasty, super fast, delicious. Fairly cheap as well. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do all that good stuff you're meant to do as a YouTube watcher. Take care, keep safe, lots of love. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really, really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Armaric channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really, really appreciate all of you who send messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.